Alam nyo kung ano to. Craving ulit ng poutine. Look at that. Before, yung video ko is chicken. So this one, we will try their poutine. Shrimp naman siya. Shrimp, dumpling shrimp ang nasa loob. So, we're gonna try it. Yung poutine kasi 'di ba, madalas binubuhos natin yung look at that. Oh. First bite. Shrimp to guys ha. Sausaw natin. Masarap. Another bite. Try, they have also, I have a clean hands. They're chicken feet. This chicken feet, you know guys, alam nyo ba, ito yung original talaga na collagen. Ang init pa, oh my god. Look at this. Gusto na tayo magkalat. But yummy. Favorite ko talaga ang chicken feet kasi talagang pampaganda ng kutis. And FYI, before iba yung may-ari nung dim sum house and ngayon iba na ulit. So they improve most of their menu. So ayan lang. Thanks.